start.
Hello, I'm Percy. We will learn about bimetallic thermostats. In general, we say a thermostat. A thermostat is a component which senses the temperature of a physical system and performs actions so that the system's temperature is maintained near a desired set point. Thermostats are used in any device or system that heats or cools to a set point temperature. For example, such as building heating, central heating, air conditioners, HVAC systems, and water heaters. Kitchen equipments include stove and ovens containing heating element, refrigerators have refrigerant coils, and medical and scientific incubators. A thermostat operates as a closed-loop control device. As the current flows, then the heat is generated. Once the peak temperature reaches, the thermostat would become an open circuit that the heating can stop. Now we go ahead with the bimetallic strips. The bimetallic strip thermostat uses two metals, iron and brass. Our aim here is to do the experiment. You will need some materials including bimetallic strip, a stand and clamp, a burner, thermometer, and a 30 cm ruler. Now, for the first step, ensure that the bimetallic strip is straight, considerably as both 20 cm. Then, place the bimetallic strip on the clamp stand. This must hold straight. This will keep the brass strip on the upper side. Second step, place the burner under the bimetallic strip. Then it starts expanding and it bends. Which metal expands the most? The brass, which then expands. The bimetallic strip bends downwards because of heat applied by the burner. The result we follow is to measure the length. One with the iron expanded by 0.6 cm, which is 3% increase. And the other brass increased by 1 cm, that is 5% increase. The ratio obtained will be 3 versus 5 respectively. Another result is the heat level using a thermometer. It appears both the temperature of metals are the same, but it's hotter. When you cool it with ice, the bimetallic strip contracts gradually and it reverts back to original length. This is just like bimetallic strip is connected to the switch. When it comes in contact, the current flows and the heat generates. This is a complete circuit. As the temperature reaches its peak level, it will bend to make it open circuit and the current stops flowing. Then this repeats the process in a cycle. So that's how the bimetallic thermostats work. Like, comment, and subscribe now.